Howdy ho, friends. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Bob. We've got a real special meal planned for you today. We're going to have Spam in a blanket. We've got a can of Spam right here. This is the low sodium variety. And then we got some of the budget crescent rolls. And this is really cool because this is going to be the first time this season I get to use the atomic oven. Now I've got her in there preheating. If we take a look at our trench fire, the way we have it set up, we've got the trench fire side where the dog bowl oven is sitting deeper than our coal side. So we build our coals up here. This is our drying rack for the wood because it's been raining for 2 days. Now I've been preheating the oven, and right now it looks like we're right at 250. It's been holding that temperature, oh my, for a good 20 minutes now. Woo, yeah, that's warm. Okay, what I want to do is probably put my glove back on before I attempt this. Well, I already have the riser inside of the oven, and I want to use this pizza stone to hopefully control the temperature so we don't freaking burn them. And we got the, oh God, the heat in there is pretty intense, friends. All right, let's put that back on. Oh, now the sun finally comes out. It's been sprinkling on and off all freaking morning, and now the sun comes out. All right, next thing we need to do is prep our Spam. And I actually stole a cutting board from the house. Let's let that be our little secret. Don't tell anybody. Like I said, we're using low sodium Spam because apparently I need to be on a diet. Anyway, easy way to get this out. Pop, pop, couple holes in the bottom. Give her a tap. Tap, 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 tap. And it's freaking frozen. Go freaking figure, friends. Oh well. I got an idea. Hang on. We are going to grab a piece of this wood and give her a good tap. And she plopped right out. Once again, please remember, pack your trash out. I haven't said that in a while, but I've been seeing a lot of trash in the woods lately, and I'm not happy about the situation. All right, we're going to cut this up into quarters. Well, actually, we're going to make them little cubes. I think we're going to go a little bit bigger, a little bigger. That looks good. You know, it reminds me, we could have made some freaking Spam French fries. Huh, didn't even think about it till just now. Okay, now obviously we're not going to be able to cook these all at once because the oven's only going to hold so many pieces of Spam. So let's go ahead and process one more piece up. That should do the trick. I forgot my freaking napkin. I do, wait, hang on a second. I had everything prepped and ready to go. And then I forgot to grab my napkin pack. No worries. Wow, this one has definitely been in the cooler for a while. Okay, now for the fun part. I don't have my glasses on, but we're going to pop this little guy open. Kind of like a little Jack in the Box. One just never knows. Come on. Oh, there we go. And there is our crescent rolls. Gonna get another clean working surface. How's our temperature? And we lost a little bit when I put the stone in. We're back up. Yeah, about 200. Not bad, not bad. There we go. Oh! Can't believe it, friends. I forgot the cheese. I was going to bring cheese. Oh, well. Next time. Alright, we're going to wrap that little guy up. There's one. I'm thinking we might, is a key word here, be able to get 4 of these. Let's get a big thick one on the oven. Here's 2. push that little guy down. There we go. There's 3, and it looks like 4. And now it's sprinkling. Oh well, what are you gonna do? It's nature. Unbelievable. Alright, we got these little guys wrapped up, and I'm squishing them all together quite nicely. My main concern is it's going to stick to the pizza tray. I don't have any flour with me to solve that problem, so we're going to be winging it. Okay, I got an idea for this. We'll take care of it here in a minute. So first we're going to put this guy in here, and that'll go back into the cooler. And we need to do something with the Spam, and here we go. That way the bugs don't start eating it. Okay, this is going to work. Our Spam is now protected. Put my blade away. Do not need to cut myself. Okay, temperature. We're right about 225. That looks good to me. Oh yeah, we're getting some really good heat out of that. Cook time on these in a conventional oven. Oh, we could probably get more than that. More than 4 on there. Oh well. On a conventional oven will be roughly 8 to 12 minutes. In the dog bowl oven, I have no idea. There we go. Let's put our top on. I'll tell you what, we're going to pop that open in about 5 minutes and take a nice look and see what we got. In the meanwhile, we're going to take some coals off our coal section. Throw those on the top like a Dutch oven so she holds her heat in. And it probably wouldn't hurt to get another batch of coals started. Yep, there we go. Now, what I want to do next is we're going to make a little tray, and where you just burnt the hair on my hand. A little tray so we can melt down some butter, so we can coat those with here in a little bit to give that little extra something. So we're going to build a tray real quick. That'll work. Oh, this is going to work perfectly. Then in this cooler, set that aside, there should be a couple sticks of butter. Yep. Temperature 220. Gonna have to add some more coals. There we go. Boom. We're going to set that beside the fire. And then I'm going to drop a couple more coals around the edge on this side. Oh, there we go. Wait a minute, maybe not. Yep, we're at 250. We're going to hold right there, no more coals. All right, friends, now we just play the all fun waiting game. In the meanwhile, we'll speed this up a little bit. Ooh, that's freaking hot. We have hit the 7-minute mark, and I'm very curious to see what's going on. Oh, shoot. Sticking a little bit, not too bad. Man, look at that. It won't be much longer now. So, why I did the butter. I don't know if this will work or not. We're going to put some butter on them. Listen to that sizzle. These are going to be so freaking hot, friends. Ooh, and I stole this from the house. Nobody say anything, please. Let's put the top back on, and we're going to drop our temperature down to, I want to say, about 200. And just let that simmer. I guess what do you call it when you're baking? It sure wouldn't be simmering. There we go. And I want to give her, let's say, about 4.5 minutes. Moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Yeah. All right, it looks like they did stick to the pizza stone. I seen that coming. Maybe next time, try something else. Not bad. Whoa! Oh! Ow! Dear God. Bottoms are definitely good. We gotta hurry because my glove cannot handle the heat much longer. Ah, Lord have mercy. Now, of course, before I leave, I'm gonna burn all that off the pizza stone. I'm gonna try something real quick. While you guys weren't looking, I went ahead and made some more. So what I'm thinking is what I want to do, let's coat the pizza stone, which I already know is a bad idea, with butter. And we're going to have to melt some more butter off. Shouldn't take long. Coat these little guys with butter. There we go. Then we're going to throw these on. Let's see if they stick or not. I'm betting they will. There we go. And we need more coals on top. Probably on the bottoms too there. Alright, let's see what happens with that. Temperature is slowly coming up, and we're going to set my timer real quick, friends. Maybe. Let's do 7 minutes on this round. Okay, it's going. Okay, here we go. We've got our Spam in a blanket. Looks really good. Kind of warm. All right, friends, here goes the taste test. Oh my God. Those are freaking good. Oh. Okay, that was really hot. Let's drop a little mustard on there. Oh yeah, Carl. These are the packets I liberated from the Quick Trip the other day when I was talking to you. Still can't find soy sauce. All right, here we go with a little mustard. That is freaking good. And fire. I think they would be good if I put some cheese in there. I'm not sure if the cheese would burn or not, but I didn't bring any. I forgot it. So next time we'll try cheese. Okay, that's been another episode of Cooking with Bob. We got this accomplished before the sky opened up and started raining on me. They are freaking awesome. They came out great. This is a fun little meal to make at the base camp. All you need is some Spam, some croissants, and maybe cheese. The butter seems to really help the bread contain it, keep its moisture in. Maybe some butter. Comments are always welcome down in the comment section, friends. And like always, thanks for watching. Oh, look at that.